I'm going to be doing a ninja star origami. So I'm going to need 2 pieces of printer paper and a pair of scissors. That's all you need. So we're going to be making the ninja star. Here's a beautiful example. Okay, now you can use any color paper you want, construction paper, but I'm just using white paper because that's all I have right now. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to keep my paper on the side here, and all you have to do first is fold it here and make sure the corners meet, which I'm not doing a very good job of, but I am kind of folding it. There we go. And then nicely fold it evenly. Fold it like so. Cut it. This is where you're going to need your scissors. This is the only part you're going to need your scissors. The rest of the parts, you don't need your scissors anymore. Okay, boom. This part, you don't need anymore. Now, fold it nicely so when you open it, you get a line like this. If you don't get a line and it's very low, if it's very soft line and it's not very visible, then fold it more. Okay, some people can fold it with their fingernail. It folds very nicely like that. Okay, open it up. It's good now, right? Keep that to the side. And now I'm going to get my second piece of paper and do the same thing. Fold it evenly. And cut it. Cut, and cut. There we go. And don't need that anymore. Now again, you can use your fingernail to fold this. Okay, open it. And make sure the lines are meeting like this for you. Okay, and kind of like an upside down triangle. Like, yeah. If they don't meet, then your thing is gonna be wrong. You need them to meet. So I'm gonna put this on the side again. Get this folded this way, like that. Okay, open it up and fold it like that. And then fold it like that, and you're all set for this. Put that on the side, do the same thing on this. You'll see later on in the video why you need 2 papers and just instead of 1. Nicely smoothly fold it, because we don't want any, we don't want it to be fold like this. Let me see, like this. We don't want it to be fold bent or anything, because it's not going to work. And then do this, just like the other side. Okay, now do pretty much the exact same thing you did. Now you get these 2 pieces of paper and you fold them. It's a lot of folding, but it's worth it. You can battle with your friends doing this. Now, here again, open it. Now, fold this like this. So when you fold it, there's going to be like a triangle thing, and fold this way. Pause the video if you need to, because I'm not going to pause it myself. If I'm going a little too fast for you, then just all you have to do is pause the video and you can just catch up. Do the same thing here. Okay, now both of your pieces need to be like this. Flip them over, and I have this. Now, get one piece and fold this like that. And fold it into this. Okay, now it should look like kind of like a compass symbol. Do the same thing on this one. And fold it. We're so close to making it now. And, okay, now here comes the part where you're going to join your two pieces to make your star, like this. Put this piece on top of this. Okay. Make sure you watch carefully now. Do it slowly. Put this piece into that, so it's nice and tight. And put this piece into that. And nice, be done. Now flip it over. Do the same kind of thing. Now your two pieces are kind of joined like this. Now, two more steps and then you're done. You should be seeing, if you do this correctly, you should be seeing the Ninja Star form. Watch carefully. Last part, and smoothen that out a little. This happened to me, but hopefully it didn't happen to you. There we go. That's the Ninja Star. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and in the comments, put down what you want the next video to be. Thanks, guys. Bye.